Hello, I'm Jeremy Holliday, and I teach 1st and 2nd grade at St. George Elementary, located in the Rock Creek School District, USB 323. A little bit about myself. I grew up in a large family, the oldest of 8. I have 1 sister and 6 brothers. We grew up in Soldier, Kansas on a small farm. We had row crops and beef cattle. I went to Jackson Heights High School, which I had 35 students in my graduating class. They are a 2A school district, dropping to 1A next year with the new classification system. I met my wife, Tricia, pictured there at Kansas State University. She is a speech pathologist, and she will be joining me actually at St. George Elementary this next year. We've been happily married for 4 years, and pictured there is our son, Dean, who we became parents to in February. We also have a foster son that we got this summer, so life has been a little crazy. And it's specifically been interesting trying to get schoolwork done. So bless any of you who have young children as well, and those of you who have old children too. I suppose you've gone through this life stage, and I'm sure can tell me, don't worry, you'll get through it. So last but not least, I love sports, specifically basketball and professional basketball at that too. So as far as professional experience, I currently serve, like I said, as the 1st, 2nd grade teacher at St. George Elementary. There are 6 other teachers besides me who teach 1st and 2nd grade. We do a lot of collaboration there. I just completed my 3rd year teaching at St. George, and also my 3rd year overall. So St. George is all I've known. And this last year I got added to the BLT, the Building Leadership Team at our school, and I've enjoyed putting what I've been learning in class to use within that position. As far as life goals, short-term goals for me, I want to continue to grow as an educator this next year. Specifically there, you can see Kagan strategies. That's something that our school district is looking to get better at in terms of student engagement. Also, knowing more about PLCs and how to utilize them. We've talked about how we slap the term PLC on a lot of different committees we're on. As well as learn from the new principal that's coming into our school district. Our former principal retired after a little over 20 years, so a lot of change coming up, and excited to learn from him. Long-term goals, I'd like to eventually be an administrator, specifically an assistant principal to begin. I also could see myself being an athletic director down the road as well. As far as what I hope to learn through this class, I want to learn more about what it looks like to be involved in the curriculum planning and evaluation for a district. Specifically at the elementary level, I would love to become more knowledgeable. We just hired a curriculum director or instructor at our school, the first one we've ever had, and so I want to be able to have deep discussions with them as we look to lead our school into the future. So excited to learn about curriculum planning and evaluation this summer, and excited to learn from you guys too. Thanks for watching.